Namaste friends, welcome to RH Chemistry. In today's NEET Booster 2020, super 12 questions I have considered here. In the last case 10 questions I have considered here because of the less time I have considered 12 questions. S block elements chapter we are going to discuss. So definitely we can expect one question from this. First question, which of the following statement is false for alkali metal? Alkali metal, S block, first group element which is false. Right. We will read one by one. Lithium is strongest reducing agent. No doubt. Sodium forms superoxide with oxygen. Correct? Wrong. Remember, superoxide formed by only three elements. Rubidium, cesium and potassium. No sodium, no lithium. Remember. Hence, the answer for this question should be B. Lithium plus is small is also correct. Alkali metal have high reactivity in water. Definitely 100% true. So, the answer for this question is B. Now, which alkali metal during flame test will show color corresponds to maximum wavelength? Maximum wavelength they are asking. So, you will see that lithium color is crimson red. Correct? Crimson red. Sodium color is yellow. Golden yellow or yellow. Potassium lilac. Lilac is nothing but violet, light violet. CS is blue color flame. Now, you can say out of these red, crimson red is nothing but red part. So, in the visible region, VIBGYOR, this is having more, less wavelength, less lambda. This is having more lambda, correct? Because after this IR will be there, or microwave will be there, radio will be there. Before this ultraviolet will be there. Definitely ultraviolet is having less wavelength and more energy. IR is having more wavelength and less energy. Hence, the answer for this question is lithium, A. Which is correct order for the solubility in water. So one thing is very clear. Remember, solubility of the hydroxides. So solubility of the hydroxides increases down the group. So remember, solubility of the hydroxide increases down the group. So down the group means barium should have more high solubility than magnesium. Hence this option is wrong. Then carbonate when we consider, remember, decreases down the group. Only hydroxide increases. That point you have to keep it in mind. Sulfate also decreases down the group. Remember. And definitely these two same, it is wrong. So, both carbonate and sulfate, nitrate, all this decreases down the group. Fine. BaCO3, CaCO3. Out of this to remember, BaCO3 more they have given. Decreases down the group, which means Ba should have less solubility, and this is wrong. C and Mg, so after Mg below that Ca will come, decreases down the group. Definitely MgSO4 is more soluble. Hence the answer for this question is C. Then, which of the following has highest tendency to give the reaction? Reaction you can say M plus gas give rise to M plus aqueous. Which means gaseous ion dissolve in water forming aqueous ion, which is having more. Very simple question is actually. So here remember, lithium is having highest hydration enthalpy. Lithium is the maximum hydration enthalpy in the group. Hence remember, answer should be B. So that lithium gas, when it dissolve in aqueous, it immediately form aqueous ions because hydration is more. Then, which of the following fluoride has lowest melting point? Remember one thing here. So, more ionic nature, more is the melting point. So, more covalent nature, less is the melting point. Right? Remember that point. Out of this, covalent nature is more for which one we have to see. See, we know that in alkali metal, lithium, alkaline earth metal, beryllium shows maximum polarizing power. That is also one of the exceptional behavior, anomalous behavior we call it as. Maximum polarizing power means maximum covalent nature. Hence, beryllium fluoride is having maximum covalent nature. Because of that reason, and lowest melting point is present. Remember that. So that also you can calculate like this also. Remember, difference between the electronegativity is very less here because beryllium also more electronegative, fluorine is highest. And but in all these cases, calcium, strontium, barium, so this electronegativity decreases. Electronegativity decreases means very less electronegative, have very high electronegative. Difference is more, difference is less. If the electronegative difference is less, ionic nature will be more. Because of that reason, BF2 is the, if the difference is less, covalent nature will be more. Hence, covalent nature is more, less is the melting point. Answer is D. Then, sixth one. The correct order of stability of the superoxide is, remember one very important point, stability of the superoxide. Stability of superoxide increases down the group. The reason for that is the superoxide ion, whatever it is there, that is O2 minus 1, is stabilized by large cations. Remember, large cation. Large cation is which one? Cesium is the large cation. Correct? Cesium is the large cation. Hence, always remember, stability is gone, increases down the group. Hence, remember, cesium oxide is more than rubidium, more than potassium. Answer is C is correct. Then, which of the following is soluble in water? Soluble in water, remember, in this case. So, here solubility is different, here solubility is different. Remember, here solubility means reaction. If you see, with water, beryllium is least reactive. Similarly, alkali metal. Alkali metal also, remember, lithium is least reactive with water and cesium is highly reactive with water. Explosive reactions you can observe. So, beryllium to barium when you come, beryllium, magnesium, strontium, barium, that is order. So, remember, down the group reactivity increases. Always remember, down the group reactivity increases. Remember, increases means barium is more reactive means reacts with water very easily, nothing but which is soluble in the water very easily. Answer is D, barium. Which has lowest thermal stability? See, once again here, thermal stability down the group increases. Because the size of the carbonate is large, rubidium is large, potassium is also large, hence stability increases. Stability is lowest for lithium carbonate. So, lithium carbonate is the answer here. All these are important questions, my dear students. Please carefully understand these questions. Now, correct order of increasing ionic nature. Once again, increasing ionic nature. So, ionic nature, remember, ionic nature increases if electronegativity difference increases. Very simple. If ionic nature increases means electronegativity difference should be more. Now you can say all these are Cl, correct? Cl is having one electronegative power. Now, out of this calcium, magnesium, beryllium, magnesium, calcium and barium, here beryllium is having more electronegativity because electronegativity down the group decreases. Beryllium is more, Cl is also more. Definitely beryllium and Cl will have least ionic nature. Hence remember all order having BeCl2. Here one BaCl2. This is wrong. So out of these three, one order is correct. Then you can say, then remember in this particular case, when it comes to magnesium, calcium, barium is having least electronegative power. Chlorine is having maximum electronegative power. So that electronegative difference is maximum here and maximum ionic nature. Hence the order is barium, calcium, magnesium, beryllium. Option is B. Understand this point. Now, in this particular case, solubility of the sulfate of the beryllium group in the water they only gave. Solubility of beryllium is more than the magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium. Solubility decreases down the group, which we have already discussed here. Solubility of sulfate decreases down the group. Correct? Decreases down the group means what is the reason for that they are asking. One thing I will tell you, solubility is, remember, solubility directly proportional to hydration energy. If the hydration energy is more, solubility will be more. Because of that reason, This decreases because decreasing in hydration energy is the reason. A is the correct answer. Now, among CaH to BeH to BaH to the order of ionic nature is. Once again, order of ionic nature to remember, ionic nature increases if electronegativity difference increases. Fine. Now, in this particular case, electronegativity difference, if you see hydrogen is electronegative, no doubt. Then if you consider beryllium, calcium and barium and hydrogen electronegativity difference is more, correct? So barium is least electronegative, hydrogen is constant. Beryllium is more electronegative, hydrogen is also more. So hence remember, the difference in electronegativity is less here, less ionic nature, more here, more ionic nature, calcium in between. So the answer for this question is A. Last question, which compound will show highest lattice energy? So remember, highest lattice energy they are asking. So in which case lattice energy will be there? Remember, very important point is that lattice energy increases if difference in size is less. Remember, difference in size is less. Very important point. Rubidium fluoride, cesium fluoride, sodium fluoride, potassium fluoride. Correct? So it should be KF, capital F. Right? So lattice energy is more if the difference in the size is less. Now if you can see, difference in size between K and F, Na and F, if you see Na and F is small. Because sodium, fluorine is the second period, sodium is third period. Definitely difference is less. But cesium is the sixth period and fluorine is the second period, difference is more. Hence remember, difference in the size is less. Because of that reason, highest lattice energy is, therefore C is the answer. So lattice energy, whenever you will see, difference in the size you have to see. If the same question, if they have given like this, remember, rubidium iodide, cesium iodide, sodium iodide, potassium iodide. If the answer, the option is given like this. Now, highest lattice energy for which one if they ask, remember, then the answer is cesium iodide. Because cesium iodide size difference is less now. You can see cesium is also larger, iodine is also larger. Right? Sodium smaller, fluorine smaller. Now sodium is smaller, iodine is larger. Hence Na never be the answer. So cesium iodide is the answer. So which means lattice energy means you have to imagine the size. Size difference, if it is less, lattice energy will be more. So like this, remember, these are the questions. I hope you understood these are the questions. If you have any doubt, you can write in the comment box. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.